For over 40 years, Human Touch has developed state-of-the-art massage products with patented massage systems that replicate the touch and techniques used by leading massage professionals to help reduce pain and stress and to encourage relaxation. Now, Human Touch brings you the award-winning Reflex Sole Foot and Calf Massager. Unlike other foot massagers, which can feel rough, uncomfortable, or artificial, the Reflex Sole perfectly blends Human Touch's state-of-the-art CirQlation and Figure-Eight Technologies to deliver a lifelike, one-of-a-kind massage experience. The Reflex Sole's exclusive wraparound Figure-Eight technology works by massaging the calves in an upward wave-like motion, caressing sore muscles and rejuvenating tired feet by forcing blood away from the feet and toward the core of the body. This motion improves circulation, reduces swelling, and helps relieve soreness and fatigue in the body. At the same time, the Reflex Sole harnesses the ancient and holistic healing power of underfoot reflexology to relieve stress, decrease pain, and improve general health and equilibrium. The Reflex Sole also offers deeply penetrating foot vibration for ultimate relaxation and patented warm air technology to relieve muscle tension. The Reflex Sole features fully customizable onboard controls, including 3 auto massage programs, 2 intensity adjustments, and vibration, so you can find ultimate relaxation and pain relief no matter your preferences. The Reflex Sole by Human Touch. Soothe, refresh, relieve. Learn more at www.humantouch.com.